Good day, everyone. I hope you are doing well wherever you are. Today, I am going to plant my moonrock hydrangea. But before that, I went around the garden and cleaned up some spent flower of my petunia. It's finally summer in here and we have a lot of rain for a couple of days, and it's nice that we have sunny day today, and I am so excited to plant my hydrangea. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe. It will help my channel a lot and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much and enjoy! Hi, so today I am going to plant this hydrangea moonrock in this side right here of the fence. I used to have the Annabelle hydrangea in there, but in some reason the Annabelle hydrangea is not growing in this area only, but the rest you can see they are doing nicely and they are very healthy. But in this section in here, I'm not sure why my Annabelle hydrangea is kept dying in this small section, but as you can see, the rest of the hydrangea are doing so well. I just dug my hole, so now I'm just gonna add this is a sheep manure, and then it will help the growth of this hydrangea. I'm adding a whole bunch of it. Okay. Oh wow. Look at this. This is very dry, so I have to water it a lot. I think that's about it. I'm just gonna give it a whoops. It's kind of hard in here because I have so many plants as well. So I'll just use my hand to do this. Alrighty. All right. Let's see. There you go. So this hydrangea moonrock, it needs 6 hours of sunlight, which is good in this area. And then it's good as well for zone 3 to 8. We are in zone 5A, so this is perfect in this area. So what happened is this hydrangea, when it grows, it will grow until here, and it will cover this whole space, and it will be different from the rest of the hydrangea beside it. So it's something different. So I am really happy for this. As you can see, it's like a cone. So we'll see what happened then. All right, the soil is very healthy actually. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Alright, have a good day. Bye for now.